In this episode of Ask Robert, I believe the viewer is asking if having a hard cold start on their Volvo is caused by a dirty MAF airflow sensor. They've done a few other repairs, replaced a few other parts, but it persistently has a slow and hard time starting while cold. I always tell people to follow the codes. If that doesn't help, you can likely start with replacing a coolant temp sensor. If it starts great warm but doesn't start good while it's cold, and then maybe fuel pump if the fuel pump is old, over 150,000 miles on it. I hope that helps. Have a great day.